Hi, this is Dr. Connie. So as part of our Alkaline Healthcare regimen, which is all about wellness and prevention, we're going to be offering Genova Diagnostics NutrEval, where we get to assess your nutrient levels as well as toxicities, as well as single nucleotide polymorphisms. In order for you to do that, we'll give you this box called NutrEval. And so I just wanted to show you what sort of needs to happen so that when you are given this test, you know exactly how to proceed. In this box, I've kind of brought out all the contents. There is a little icebox cube in here. It's helpful to have that frozen the day of, right? So ideally what would need to happen, because we do need your urine sample, they want it to be completely frozen, and so ideally you want to get this done, the urine sample anyway, the first thing in the morning, 24 hours before you head to the lab to get this done. And this is where the urine samples are. You have this pipette to transfer the urine. After you collect the urine, you want to transfer it into these 3 tubes, right, in this biohazard bag. Once that they've been transferred, you do it in a plastic cup and you transfer the urine into this. It's the first collection of the day. And then you want to seal it up, and then you want to go ahead and freeze it. Freeze it along with this ice box. That's the first thing. You're going to be given this requisition form depending on which level of service that I would recommend or prescribe. That's what's going to be already filled out with my provider name and information. And then you're going to be given this instruction to do everything. So I've given you what to do with the urine sample. So I'm going to place that back along with the pipette. And then there's these 3 vial sleeves. These vial sleeves, the day after you get the urine samples, you're going to head over to any lab tests now. They're anywhere, and I'm going to give you this list of labs wherever they're available. They're all over Atlanta nearby, so it's going to be easy for you. They do charge a $35 collection fee, but it just is what it is. You'll probably find one close to you. So with that, you're going to take this kit to them, and then they're going to draw the 3 vials and place them accordingly into this biohazard bag, and then along with the ice box in there. And then what you need to do then is, if I do order a single nucleotide polymorphism test to check your genetics, to kind of, if I suspect that you have a single nucleotide polymorphism and you have some health risks associated, I'm going to give you this test, in which case you want to go ahead and pull this apart. It's a cotton swab. So you want to generously get a sample of inside of your mouth. Generously kind of swab the inside of your mouth. And then you're going to place it back, cotton side down, back into this. And then you're going to place it into this envelope. There's 2 cotton swabs. That's what you're going to do. You're going to place the whole thing in here, and then you're going to go ahead and seal it. And place that back in so that you can, after you get the labs collected, the blood sample, then you place everything in this box. And then anytime labs will know exactly what to do with that. So all the samples go back, and you just have to address the label and then drop it off at the FedEx, or most likely the Anytime Labs will have a collection box at their site wherever they are, and then that's pretty much it. So I just wanted to clarify, because this was quite intimidating even for me, because there are so many multi-steps to this. But this test is one of those tests. It's going to tell you lots of information about the health status, as we're all about prevention rather than waiting for the disease to sort of fully manifest itself. So I hope that's helpful. And if you have any questions, you can email us at info@alkalinewellness.com, or you can call us at 678-335-5566. Thanks so much.